Hi, boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional not in today's newspaper of Wednesday, December the 15th 2021. I told you we have no extra puzzles, no additional in today's newspaper. No, it's the edition of yesterday, Tuesday, December the 14th 2021. We have two puzzles left: binary puzzle and a tectonic with 1 star. And I've told you I will continue with the binary. So for you, this will be number 3835, I believe. Yes. Alright, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Okay. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Then between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Well. And now, do I need to compare? 101. I need more information because here I cannot continue. Well, let me compare this and the last row. We have here 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box 1 1 0 0 0 0. We need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then between the ones comes an O. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finish in 4 minutes. Yes, only one time comparing. And I like this one, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle. It will be a tectonic one with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.